sink, you wash your face in my sink.
In my sink,
You wash your face in my sink.
in my sink,
You wash your face in my sink.
Simplicity with synchronicity makes a mind meld revealed, impossible like a walk through a minefield. Sadly, get up to bat and take a swing. Think, should I? Shouldn't I? Try? Too late. You sunk into the sink that I wash my face.
You wash your face in my sink.
In my sink,
You wash your face in my sink.
in my sink.
You wash your face in my sink.
Tougher, that's what I'm getting rougher. And you beat me, suffer. The loss of an attempt well tried. Well, your side tried, but my side will never be denied. Cause I'm swinging and stinging neglection with an injection of truth. I've come to untwist the twisted youth. How does it feel now that I got you all to think? Yeah, and wash your face in my sink. Swing on the grounds of the play. Ground the wire to the amp to improve the sound. I mean, give me an MIC that is clean and witnessed the warriors of the dream. For the bigger the orange is the bigger the peel. Thieves who steal get a wheel for real. A spin till it fin or until I give a pardon. Me, I never promised you a rose garden or nourishment. Just punishment for a fink who thinks he can wash his face in our sink.
You wash your face in my sink.
Open up the door, step across the wet floor. If you can make it, you can tape it, this rhyme forevermore. Peer into the drain as the water goes down. Why do you frown? It's the end of the sound. But bring back the rhyme, for the rhyme is evaporating. All of the sucker MCs to the Jones insane. They would, they could, they think, but never ever never dare try to wash the face in my sink.